almost the same number I saw when Ellen was getting married. As much as yesterday I was not with you in the procession from the mortuary, I watched every bit of activity that happened. It reminded me the day when we officially took Helen out of the parents' home. There were so many vehicles, so many friends. And I concluded yesterday faith is something that you cannot divine. We didn't know that our daughter Helen could impact this world. And I want to tell you that the serving Lord is the only way you can impact this world. Helen has grown up a disciplined young girl.
Helen
a young girl that demonstrates that she was well brought up by Christian parents. I don't want to say more about the parents of Helen, but some of you may not understand what relationship is between Pastor Oga and Helen. As much as the mother to Helen was elderly than us, she's the mother, she's the sister who brought us up in our church. That lady whom you see so weak now, that lady, Mama Helen, let me tell you, it is the body that can be weak, but the spirit is very strong. If we are strong Christians, then we picked it from her. Personally, I'm very proud of Mama Joyce. Because the father of Joyce and my father are one. And when we were growing in our small village, there is no single day I could not find my two sisters and another sister who is in America not in the church. These ladies spend most of their time in the church. They could look for us wherever we could be as young boys until they nicknamed us a name that we call one another up to now. Yeah, choice.
Yeah, choice.
Life is like that.
Choice
That's the name she could call us.
You small boys, why haven't you gone to church? You small boys, come and let's go sing for the Lord.
We could run to church. You could see Joyce embrace you. And you walk together to church to learn on how to worship the Lord. The same spirit that she planted in us, she transferred it to our children. My in-law is equally the best man. I know their family. Joyce, my sister, this has come to us as a surprise. Quickly, if I turn to Ezra, forgive me. I didn't mean this when I was giving you Ellen on that day of the wedding. Neither did I form the vows that we take when we are doing a wedding. Kuna kipengera moja katika hizo ahadi ambazo tunatoa kwa kanisa, but so blindly. Esila, you forgive me? I didn't know. When I was telling you to tell Helen until death to me, I thought death could come long into the future when you are too old together. I didn't understand that my daughter Helen could leave you on the way. I know, Esla, that was the great day when you received Helen as your wife. I want you to mark every statement I make in my sermon today. If that was the hope, if that was the hope, when you received Helen as your wife, now that Helen has slept, I'm giving you the greatest hope. I had given you hope of beginning a family, but today allow me once again turn the coin to another side and give you the greatest hope. What we need in this life is not just hope, but the greatest hope at all circumstances of life. You may not comprehend this message now because darkness engulfs your mind. But allow me, my nephew Ezra, to receive this greatest hope that I'm giving you today. The book of Isaiah 35, verses 10. And those that the Lord has rescued
na balia omonene abolirie
will return.
na bairane.
Let me repeat it again.
And
those that the Lord has rescued will return. Let me demonstrate that first line of the scripture. Sin makes us walk into the way that the Lord doesn't want us to take. And we walk blindly on that way because sin blinds the way of Christians. But even when we are walking that way, God is busy working on how He must return us back. And when He finally gets hold of us, we naturally